Would you like to unlock the full potential of ArcGIS Experience Builder? Well, it's never been easier to start embedding other applications into the Experience Builder environment. Let's go take a look at how we can do that. Let's start by creating a brand new ArcGIS Experience Builder application. In this case, I'm going to be using one of the templates that are available, known as the blank full screen template. I'm going to navigate over and select Create. From this point, we're brought up to a blank canvas where we can do whatever we would like within Experience Builder. In our case though, we're learning how to embed applications. So I'm going to navigate to our Insert Widget search bar and type up Embed. At this point, I can simply go ahead and drag and drop this widget into our application. Now that I have my Embed widget added into our Experience Builder application, I can go ahead and start customizing the size of our view window. In this case, I'm going to be adding in a dashboard, so I'm going to make this the size of our home page. We will also notice on the right-hand side, we are provided with two options in which we can bring in the applications. This is in the form of a URL, where this URL will directly link us to our application, or in the form of code, which is our HTML or iframe that an application may provide us. This is a very simple dashboard that I've created showing dive site names and their corresponding information for sites within British Columbia, Canada. I'm going to go ahead and simply copy and paste our URL from our dashboard to our Experience Builder application and paste it over in our URL box. At this point, the application will load up, and we're going to see here that our dashboard is fully visible and ready to be used by our users. So I now encourage you to go ahead and start exploring the different options that you have when it comes to embedding applications within your Experience Builder app.